Hi everyone, today, we're diving into one of the most mind-blowing hypercars ever created, the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. This is the machine that shattered records, pushed boundaries, and set a new benchmark for speed, luxury, and engineering excellence. If you've ever wondered what happens when a brand like Bugatti decides to go all out, this is it. Let's start with the numbers, because that's what makes this beast truly special. The Chiron Supersport 300 Plus isn't just an EMEA, it's a statement. Back in 2019, Bugatti did what no other production car had ever done. It became the first to break the 300 miles per hour barrier, hitting a staggering 304.773 miles per hour on Volkswagen's Eurolessian test track. That achievement wasn't just a flex, it was a revolution. Now, under the hood, we have the legendary 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. This masterpiece produces an astonishing 1,578 horsepower and 1,180 pounds-feet of torque. That's nearly 100 horsepower more than the standard Chiron, and it's all thanks to a host of engineering upgrades, including larger turbos, a revised intake system, and an optimized transmission for higher speed stability. The result: a car that can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds and hit 186 miles per hour in under 13.6 seconds. But let's be real, this car isn't about 0-60 times. It's built to obliterate long stretches of asphalt at speeds that seem almost impossible. One of the most striking aspects of the Supersport 300 Plus is its design. Bugatti didn't just slap on some extra power and call it a die. They reworked the aerodynamics to ensure the car remains stable at extreme speeds. The elongated body, known as the long tail, extends 9.8 inches longer than the standard Chiron, reducing drag and increasing downforce. The rear diffuser is massive, helping to keep the car planted while slicing through the air with minimal resistance. Every vent, every surface, and every detail is sculpted for ultimate efficiency and speed. The lightweight carbon fiber body is finished in a striking exposed carbon with jet orange racing stripes, giving it a look that screams performance. The magnesium alloy wheels not only reduce weight but also enhance handling dynamics, ensuring this hypercar remains agile even at ridiculous speeds. Step inside, and you're greeted with the finest craftsmanship Bugatti has to offer. Despite being an extreme speed machine, the Chiron Supersport 300 Plus doesn't sacrifice luxury. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather, Alcantara, and polished aluminum. It's a blend of performance-focused minimalism and opulent comfort. The steering wheel is wrapped in high-quality leather, with paddle shifters positioned perfectly for rapid gear changes. The digital instrument cluster provides all the critical performance data in real time, ensuring the driver stays focused at all times. When it comes to driving dynamics, Bugatti has engineered this car to be both thrilling and surprisingly composed. The chassis is reinforced, the suspension is tuned for high-speed stability, and the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires are specifically developed to handle extreme speeds while maintaining grip. Even at lower speeds, the Supersport 300 Plus remains a refined and comfortable grand tourer, proving that it's not just a speed demon but a versatile hypercar. Now, here's the catch: owning one of these is no easy feat. Bugatti limited production to just 30 units worldwide, and each one carried a price tag of around $3.9 million, and that's before any customization. Buyers fortunate enough to get their hands on one also received access to Bugatti's Top Speed program, where they could push their car to its full potential in a controlled environment. But what makes the Chiron Supersport 300 Plus truly legendary isn't just its speed or exclusivity, it's what it represents. It's the pinnacle of internal combustion hypercars, a farewell to an era where raw power and engineering brilliance reigned supreme. With the automotive industry shifting toward electrification, this might be one of the last hypercars of its kind, a true mechanical masterpiece that will be remembered for generations. So, what do you think? Is the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus the ultimate hypercar? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the world's most incredible luxury cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.